Hi everyone, I'm Navaneeth Krishnan. I'm a wildlife photographer, and in this video we are going to see keyword your photograph to never lose them. Are you the one who have been losing your photographs? I would say just keyword them and find them where they are. It is very easy and a very best practice to follow as well. I'll tell you how to do it. Let's get started. This is the home screen of Lightroom, and then click on the import button on the bottom left. I am going ahead with the add functionality and selecting an image from the source, and under the apply during import you have keyword through which you can add your keywords. So what is the advantage of having a keyword? Imagine you have 500 photographs in your catalog. That is not tough. But in case you had to choose the 5 tiger photos from the 500 photos, it is a tough task. So in this case, when you have keyworded the 5 photographs as tiger, it is very easy to get only that 5 photographs from the 500 photographs. That's why I would recommend you to go ahead and keyword all the photographs that you have in your particular catalog. I would rather recommend all of you to make this as a practice and keyword your photographs as and when you import them to a particular catalog. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come up with more amazing videos. Until then, stay tuned and follow me on Instagram